Welcome all of you in City News Today Live. The project of DAV Khabda is selected for state level. See in detail.
My name is Vinayak. I am from class 8. Today we are selected for pre-national level of the NCSC National Science Congress. For this we have made several innovations, which is basically three. First, smart robo. Second, pyrolysis of plastic. Third, pervious concrete.
So, my name is Manvik and our project was Cleaner Drains Technological Innovation for Ecosystem and Health. In this project, we dealt with several technological innovations that excel in different fields of science like in polymer science, in artificial intelligence and in civil sciences. So, for basically first what we did that we did a survey, we did several surveys to prove that yes, in drains, our project was basically based on drains. In drains, several diseases like dengue, malaria, cholera, diarrhea, etc. are caused due to open and contaminated drains in the localities only. So, we did a survey of 100 houses to prove our hypothesis was true. And then our expectations matched the results of the survey. Then we were aware that yes, diseases are caused by drains. Yes, people are dying. Yes, people are suffering. So then we found out different technological innovations. First was smart and self-sufficient drain cleaning robot. This robot was basically a cell-based system which can be controlled through phone, which has the function to clear all the physical components from the drains. Its main function is to clear all the drains, that is because all the physical components like garbages that are present in the drains are the main cause of drain choking, due to which several problematic diseases are occurring in humans. So, this robot was controlled through a camera in which the 24/7 live footage can be shown in the robot's camera. It was controlled through the Internet Protocol address of the ESP32 CAM module that we inserted in it. Our second, hence it can be proved very useful because it can help the drains of our localities to get clean more and more, so that our health could be postulated. Our second technological innovation was the pyrolysis of plastic. We thought, what could we do of the wastes that are secreted by our robot from the drains? So we thought that the biodegradable wastes can be easily degraded into the soil. But what about the non-biodegradable wastes? Those wastes of the drains has two parts, metals and plastics. Metals could easily be recycled, but plastics are a big problem for drain choking. So what we did that we found a process, that is a pyrolysis of plastic to clear all the plastics from in different water bodies that are present. So basically in pyrolysis the plastic gets converted into fossil fuel by using thermal degradation process. In this process, the monomers of plastic break down into the hydrocarbonic molecules, and hence after condensation it becomes a biochar, which can be further purified to use it in car, vehicles, etc. as a fuel. Now, our third innovation was permeable concrete. Basically, it is a special kind of concrete which has the ability to percolate water through it. We see in normal concretes, water cannot flow directly into the soil, but this special concrete made by us has the ability to percolate water through it with ease, and it also has a good tensile strength, that is, it can be used in the neighborhoods and localities. So these were our technological innovations that excel in different fields of sciences to cure this world's existing issue of drain water logging and diseases caused due to drains. Thank you. This project was selected for the National Children's Science Congress, 31st National Children's Science Congress 2023. Firstly, we got selected to the district level, from which we went to the state level. state level, we were selected as a state awardee and were given this memento. And then we were selected for the pre-national levels, and it was organized in Science Center Patna. In that we also won in that, because there from 50 participants, 30 were selected for the National Children's Science Congress that could be held in Bhopal, and we got selected up there. We got the prize money of 5,200 rupees and the certificates and the guide books required for the national level.
As we know, Shiksha, Seva and Sanskar, there are three fundamental elements of our school, DAV society. Now for this purpose, we are mainly focusing on education, and this achievement is a milestone for our school as also for our institution. And we are continuously engaged to acquire it. Nowadays, our DAV family is very happy to, and we say to both students, thank you.